Hi guys, welcome to another one. I'm just gonna up the vlog. I'm currently at a football game. You know them kids miss every weekend. So yeah, currently at a football. So I'm just walking to the car now because sis forgot her water. She's a football player. So yeah, she plays football. So it's half time at the moment and I'm just walking to get water. So I thought I'd open up the vlog and say hi. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you are enjoying my vlogs. I'm trying to vlog for you guys and kind of share with you guys what I look. This is why I'm so muddy. It's been raining. Can you see it's been raining? So it's so muddy right now. I'm just heading to the car to get some water because there's a big queue in the cafe. So yeah, just heading to the car to get some water. But yeah, no, I'm currently here. Sorry, it's actually nice sunny, cold but sunny. But yeah, heading to the car to get some water and I'm gonna head back to watch the game. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you are new to the channel and you haven't subscribed, do me a massive favor, click that subscribe button and click on that like. I want you to get notification whenever my videos come up. Okay, so yeah, we're just gonna get some water. So yeah guys, I'm gonna put my glasses on, catch you guys in a bit. Guys, so I finished doing my nails and we ended up going to Primark. Guys, if you don't know, Primark is like a big chain of shop where you can buy clothes for quite a good deal. And then after that, we ended up going to a shoe store because little one right here needed some new boots. So that's what we were doing, just stop by to look for some new boots for her. But guys, if you have watched the video up to this point, make sure you do me a massive favor, click on that like button, subscribe, and yeah, make sure that you share. So yeah, this is, oh gosh, I don't even know the name of this store, but they've got all boots for children, adults, everyone. So yeah, if you want to shop for your kids, this store has really cute boots. I'll actually leave the link of the name of the store in the description box. So definitely get yourself some cute boots for your children for winter, adults, men, women, everybody. But yeah, so that's what I'm currently doing, just kind of waiting around for them to sort themselves out. But what I was saying is, guys, if you have never come across this channel, make sure you click and you subscribe to the channel. Okay, there was some music in the background, so I couldn't really I couldn't really talk But yeah, I hope you like my jacket. So winter is here, so it's so cold. But yeah, that's my jacket. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel and make sure that you like. And if you want to see more content like this, guys, let me know and I'll be happy to bring you more.